Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mondia Catherine. I teach people about finance, I teach people about Saccos, and I also talk to people about mentorship. These are things I do very naturally. They come just they are very natural. And in today's episode, I want us to share about this institution called a Sacco. And what we call a Sacco, this is an institution where people have come together. They pool their resources together for purposes of saving and borrowing. That is the main work of a Sacco. Of course, this Sacco has to be registered. It has to be regulated by SASRA, or Sacco Societies Regulatory Authority. And for you to become a member of a Sacco, first of all, you have to raise the share capital. Yeah, the share capital, this money belongs to the Sacco, and it can range from 20,000, 10,000, 25,000, depending on a Sacco. You have to first raise the share capital for you to become a full member of a Sacco. When we talk about this amount of share capital is not refundable, but it is transferable. So you can sell it to somebody, and whoever you've sold to can refund you. Let's say if it's the 20,000, and now your shares now, or your share capital, will be transferred to that person you've sold to. And now, if you want to grow with the Sacco, you have to continue saving. Yeah, you save on a monthly basis. The minimum Saccos take is at least 1,000 every month. So that money now is called either your savings or deposits. Yeah, and this saving is the money that is multiplied times 2 or times 3 to give you a loan. Yeah, when we come to the returns, the share capital gives you dividends. Yeah, and usually it's higher than the interest that you earn from your deposits. At every end of the year, Saccos, they give people returns. Saccos mainly are not profit oriented. They are there to grow their members. So now let's give an example. You've managed to save 30,000. So this 30,000, you've applied for a loan of maybe times 3, that is 90,000. So this, remember, you had 30,000. So you've been given 60,000, which does not belong to you. So this money must be secured, and you secure this money by getting a guarantor, 1 or 2, who will guarantee their savings, saying that in case you default, they will be able to pay that loan. So a Sacco requires a lot of discipline. It enables you to have a saving culture, because it doesn't matter whether you have a loan or you don't have a loan. You need to raise the installment of a loan, and that 1,000 which goes to savings must also be saved. So automatically it makes you save whether you like it or not. You can grow with a Sacco in very many ways. Yeah, number one, if you're a young person, you can take a loan, go back to school. If, for example, if you're employed, go back to school, acquire skills. If you don't have a degree, You can go for a degree program, you can go for masters. Nowadays it's very easy. Don't just sit there. Build yourself. Even if, for example, if you're out of school or you've just finished university, you can take like just 5 years just building your career or doing personal development, and a Sacco will assist you do that. Number 2, the same Sacco can help you acquire a plot or land. Land is very popular in this country. Maybe you need land for a home. A Sacco will help you acquire a plot. If you already have a plot, it can help you build that plot. Yeah, you can buy a vehicle. In fact, currently Saccos have really grown. The Saccos that we call deposit taking, these are Saccos that work like banks. Before, they used to be called giant Saccos. They're even giving mortgages, yeah? And there is no institution that can give you affordable mortgage than a Sacco, because their loans are reducing balance. It is 1% per month. Who can give you money like that? So you can use a Sacco to do whatever it takes. You can even start a side hustle. Yeah, you can borrow money, start a small business on the side. So this is an institution. If you use it responsibly, it will take you places. Yeah, for example, let's give an example. You acquire land now. Let's say you've paid the loan after 3 or 4 years. The next loan you are taking, you not go again to buy land. You'll start building. So you will, it kind of compounds, because you cannot go back to what you started with. Yeah, if you've built your house and maybe put up to lintels or wherever, the next time you take this loan, now you will complete the house, because the wages in this country generally are very low. You may want to do so much, but you can only do as much, because sometimes it is not commensurate. You're not paid commensurate to maybe even the qualifications you have. But a Sacco, we call it haba na haba, inajaza kibaba. And that small money you think is small, just that 1,000 bob, it makes all the difference. And you can use a Sacco to do just that. So use a Sacco responsibly. Understand how it can assist you. Yeah, have people, we call them, have people, your tribe, people who you can work with. For example, like a group. If let's say you are in the informal sector, you need people to be guaranteeing one another. So form a small group. Let's say a group of 5 people, and 5 disciplined people, because some of these journeys are very difficult. People just give up very easily. So you need people who are focused. Come together, join a Sacco together, so that you will be guaranteeing one another. So this will make you people grow together. Yeah, if somebody defaults, you're able to know where they are. And for example, the people we call women can easily prosper with Saccos. Instead of these things they call table banking, where they harass one another to a point of even going for your cow, going for your sufurias. You can come together, join a Sacco individually, but you know that you'll be guaranteeing one another. You'll avoid a lot of stress through harassment, and you can grow together. You can buy land together. You can do so much with a Sacco. And guys, I hope that can change one person at a time. If you're new to this channel, please just subscribe or hit that like button. I would desire to grow in my channel, and I can only grow through your support. Please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. You can get me at Mondia Catherine on all my on Facebook, and at Mondia_ on my Instagram page. Otherwise, guys, thank you for watching. Let us meet in the next episode. Thank you.